What if both engines fail mid-air? A jet doesn't just fall from the sky. Even without engines, the wings still work. The plane turns into a glider, descending slowly while pilots look for a safe place to land. For every 1,000 meters down, a modern jet can glide about 15 kilometers forward. Pilots are trained for this. Famous cases like the miracle on the Hudson prove that engine failure doesn't mean disaster. So even if both engines fail, planes are built to keep you safe. If you found this cool, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe for more aviation facts.